So now I have some simple sentences, and in some sentences you will find that certain verbs keep repeating. So let us go ahead with these few sentences. Toy cars. So all of us have toy cars at home. Yes. So we are going to talk about toy cars. Toy cars can run, jump and turn. So again I repeat, toy cars can run, jump and turn. So there are three action words in the sentences. First is the toy car can run, next it can jump, and next it can turn. So these are the three action words done by the car. So these are the three verbs in the sentence. Next, my friend Emma dances very well. So what is this action word there? The action word is dances. Emma dances very well. The next sentence, my dog runs, jumps and wags his tail. So let us see what are the actions done by the dog. So my dog runs, jumps and wags his tail. So the first word is runs, next is jumps, and the third word is wags. So these are the three action words: runs, jumps and wags. So these are three action words done by the dog. I am going to school by bus. So what is the action word? The action word is going. So going becomes the verb or the action word, going. The next sentence, the boys are sitting on the bench. So what is the action done by the boys is sitting. So sitting is the verb in the sentence, sitting. The boy is making a painting. So what is the action word there? Is to make something, to do something. So making becomes the verb or the action word. I am going to school. So as I told you, some words are quite frequent. So going becomes the verb or the action word. Let's go to the park. Verbs can be determined by the tenses, that is past tense, present tense and future tense. So that we will see in our later classes. As for now, if we know what is action words, it will be simple. So the next one is go. So this is the action done. So I'll repeat these sentences again. Toy cars can run, jump and turn. So run, jump, turn are the actions done by the cars. My friend Emma dances very well. So dances becomes the action done by Emma. My dog runs, jumps and wags his tail. Again we see three action words in one particular sentence: runs, jumps and wags. I am going to school by bus. So going becomes the action word. The boys are sitting on the bench. So sitting is the action done by the boys. The boy is making a painting. So making is the action done by the boy. I am going to school. So going is another action word. And let's go to the park. Again go becomes the action word in the sentence. So the words run, jump, turn, dances, runs, jumps, wags, going, sitting, making, going, go. These are all the action words which you can find more frequently in most of our sentences.